Kia ora Aotearoa. This Mental Health Awareness Week, I'm shining a light on the first responders in our communities. It's important to recognise that first responders service can take a very real toll. So I've asked some of our local heroes what they would like New Zealanders to know about first responders and their mental well-being.
So my message is to the people of Aotearoa, keep an eye out on our first responders. Sometimes they're doing it tough and people are relying on them to be strong and sometimes they're not. So I also want to send a message out to my brothers and sisters on the front line. It's okay to be vulnerable. We're only human, we can talk about it.
I used to think that some of the traumatic events that I see in my job, suicides, house fires, fatalities, that I was resilient and I could handle these, I could cope with these, I was strong, I had to be. It's only a few years ago I realised that these cumulative exposures to these traumatic events were starting to take a real toll on my mental well-being. It's only through education and love and support of friends and whānau and talking about these situations, normalising them, that I started to realise that I could heal, I could start to build true resilience and process these things.
It's not always during the mission, the incident or the operation that the mental health of our first responders, our emergency services staff or military personnel is at the greatest risk. Sometimes it can be afterwards, when the mission is complete, the incident has been wrapped up and the operation is over, when all the equipment has been put back on the shelf and the team have gone home and it's just you and your thoughts. That's when it can get quite challenging for some of our people, and it's really important that people know that it's okay to ask for help, and if they do, that help is available to them.
So to all my brothers and sisters out there in the emergency service industry, kia kaha, stay strong. Please talk about these things, lean on your friends and family, and we can learn to heal.
It's our time to respond, New Zealand. Join me in supporting Te Kiwi Maya. The charity's mission is to provide rehab, respite and recovery to our local heroes through a homestead and working farm where first responders and their families can recuperate and refresh. Follow the link to become a friend of Te Kiwi Maya and follow our journey as we provide our local heroes with the care they need.